Hi and welcome to another video from AI Sciences. In this video, we will talk about role of AI in cancer detection. So what is cancer? So cancer is a disease caused when cells divide uncontrollably and spread into surrounding tissues. Before the use of AI in medical sciences and more precisely in cancer detection, the fatality rate was very high, and the primary reason for that was late diagnostics and to some extent the time the doctors came to know about the health condition of the cancer patient or they figured it out that the patient had cancer, the patient had no time to cope up with the disease. But with the advent of AI in medical science and diagnosis, some advanced AI algorithm and advanced AI is playing vital roles in detecting or diagnosing cancer at very early stages. How AI is performing such wonders? Let's have a look. So you must have heard of machine learning or ML. There are two main common types of machine learning methods that are usually known. The first one is the supervised learning and the second one is unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, a labeled set of training data is used to estimate or map the input data to the desired output. In contrast, under the unsupervised learning methods, no labeled examples are provided and there is no notion of the output during the learning process. Two other common machine learning tasks are regression and the clustering. So, in the case of regression problems, a learning function maps the data into a real value variable. Subsequently, for each new sample, the value of a predictive variable can be estimated based on this process. Clustering is a common unsupervised task and it in which one tries to find the categories or clusters in order to describe the data items. Now suppose for example that we have collected medical records relevant to breast cancer and we have to predict if our tumor is malignant or benign based on the size. The machine learning question would be referred to the estimation of the probability that the tumor is malignant or not. Or we can say 1 for yes and we can say 0 for not. This figure over here is actually depicting the same thing, that the tumor is either malignant or not. The circle records depict that any misclassification of the type of tumor produced by the procedure. And also you can actually observe that how early you can predict with accuracy that the parent before the tumor size is too vast. We can actually predict using the machine learning algorithms that okay, this thing, this symptoms, this patient is heading towards tumor and it's heading towards a malignant tumor. Now, the success of a disease behavior is dependent on the quality of a medical diagnosis. However, a behavior prediction actually takes much more complexity in it. So, the behavior prediction should also take into account more than simple diagnostic decision. When dealing with cancer, behavior of disease is concerned with three predictive tasks. Number one, the prediction of cancer sensitivity, the prediction of cancer recurrence control, and the prediction of cancer. And we can use AI algorithms like logistic regression, decision tree, SVM algorithm, knife based algorithm to predict all these three aspects by processing the previous available data, and that's how powerful AI is. Also, there are number of research that taking place worldwide to improve the data and the algorithm to further push and increase the efficiency of AI to predict the cancer at early stages. Scientists are discovering new features on regular basis and the engineers are incorporating them in the ongoing process of machine learning and thus getting better and better predictions. So this is pretty much it from this video. I really hope that you grasp the idea of how powerful AI is and the potential it has. Still, if you have any question, please feel free to let us know in the question answer section or in the comment section, and we will try to get back to you on that as soon as possible. Also, please do subscribe to our channel AI Sciences and do hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of our new videos. So, I will see you in the next video.